So we're gonna take a quick little side tour here and refill the bird feeder because the birds are starting to come out more.
Yeah, because they're all hungry and cold.
Yeah. All right, let's grab it and let's go to the garage and refill it, okay?
Here, can you get the stuff? Because I have to calm down. Here, I got this part. In the late summer, I learned how to get down and up these walls. I can climb up here in like 30 seconds. You want to see me?
No, let's go to the garage and refill this real quick. Come on. What's going on over here?
What do you mean, there?
Little side projects here.
There's nothing in there.
Yeah, but what were they? Your frog?
Say it out loud.
He said they used to be my frog habitats.
Frog habitats.
But what are they now?
Just a pile thing I need to clean up.
Samuel, can you come hold this? Yeah, I'll put it together.
Yep.
Now you can show Mommy how you climb up the fence and I'll hand this up to you.
Okay. You ready to see it, Mommy?
Next step about now. Right there. I think we just filled it up like last weekend or something.
Yeah.
It's already gone.
That one?
Yeah. So they're definitely, birds are coming back to eat it, so that's good.
Oh, I want to show you how I got down.
I wonder, are these the seeds of these crepe myrtle trees?
Could be.
They just look dried. But yeah, the other day when we were looking out the back door, there was a ton of different birds flying all around, and that's why we came and refilled the bird feeder because we noticed that they were devouring it. Marina was able to get a bunch of really cool photos with her zoom lens, and some of the birds were really pretty. There was a couple blue birds, not blue jays, but blue birds, and then a yellow one that was super cool. So I'm excited to see how those photos turn out. So that's the one Samuel had from his school project that we put together. It's actually a soda bottle that twisted on the top. Last week I cleaned it out because when it rains it gets gunky in there. And so we didn't refill it, but it looks like they are eating it quite a bit. There's a bunch on the ground too that they're picking out. So maybe next week or sometime this week, if I see it getting lower than that, then we'll come out and refill it again.
Put them on.
Someone got a fresh new haircut. Hello everyone. We're gonna go ahead and feed the birds again. We had filled them up a week ago, and when I checked them this morning, both bird feeders are basically completely empty. So we got some bird food still. We're gonna grab it, take it to the back, fill them up, and then probably check on the worms, see how they're doing, and we'll go from there. Need a container. See if one's in it already. Yep, something's in it already. All right, Samuel, let's go. All right, so we have 2 bird feeders. One there, and the other one over there. Samuel, can you go up and get them?
Sure, yeah, I can do that.
All right, thank you. Yeah, that one's completely empty. That one's completely empty. All right. Is it tied on there? You need help?
Yeah, it's right on there.
All right.
I'm gonna go get the other one.
All right. Okay. All right. Samuel, I thought you were gonna help. This is one that's supposed to prevent squirrels from getting onto it. Which I guess it works okay. I haven't seen squirrels jump on it yet. We're looking forward to when the weather's warmer, we have some hummingbird feeders. And those are always nice to watch. Alrighty. Hey, there's a yellow funnel. You know what I'm talking about? Or no? I left it in the garage.
Sure, go get that. Hey, okay, try to listen to the camera. I'm gonna talk to you while on here.
Okay.
Got it. Should start seeing me in a minute. I'm like right by the fence. Do you hear me? I'm like right by the fence. Did you hear me?
I know that it's picking you up, but I won't be able to hear you until I play it back.
It's kind of cool.
All right.
Well, not really cool, but.
Okay. Let's try this again. Okay. Got it? Let's see how this works.
I wonder if there's any beetles.
Maybe.
I think the birds like to eat the beetles.
That's what it said when we researched the beetles in there. Yeah, so we found, or Samuel found that there was a bunch of like beetles inside of the bird feed, and apparently it's pretty common, but the birds will eat it.
They're called grain beetles.
Okay. Go ahead and, all right, it's all full.
I don't want to.
Let's hang it back up.
I
See
know.
how
I
it
kept
is.
them.
See how long it takes now for these to get empty. Oh, that one's completely full too. All right.
Are you gonna just like leave them out?
No, I'm gonna hang them up.
Well,
So first one's up. Let's grab the bird seed. We'll bring it back.
now I'm gonna go check on my beetles.
All right. Bird feeders are all nice and full. All right. I'm going down outside. There's always something else we can do, but I think for now it's good. All right, well, we're done. Thanks for joining us. Till next time.
Yep.